Here are some of the best coconut yogurt brands that you can try. Number 1, So Delicious Dairy-Free Coconut Yogurt. I'll put it all in the description. It's a popular choice that's creamy and available in various flavors. And it's made from organic coconuts. Number 2, Kite Hill Almond Milk Yogurt. So while primarily almond-based, it has a coconut option that offers a rich texture and flavor. Number 3, CocoYo by Coconut Cult. Oh, what a name. I don't like cults. Known for its probiotic content, this yogurt is raw, unprocessed, and has a tangy taste. Number 4, Nancy's Coconut Yogurt. This brand offers a dairy-free option that is also probiotic-rich with a smooth consistency. Number 5, Forager Project Dairy-Free Yogurt. Made from cashews and coconuts, and it's creamy and often available in different flavors. Now listen, when choosing, look for options that are free from added sugars and preservatives for the healthiest choice. But at the same time, because you need fat, Yeah, but these are the best this video is about coconuts. It's with a coconut yogurt, right? Those are the best.